Hi everybody, David Lewis. You have got to be kidding me. Sometimes I just wonder, who makes decisions in these dealerships? Where do these thought processes come from? So about 6 months ago, we had a dealership hire us to do some in-dealership sales training for a month. And after we left, the next 60 days, the dealership had tremendous results. They were up 24 cars per month. They were up $680 in gross per unit and $480 in gross per unit in F&I. That is a tremendous increase. That's the equivalency of between $700,000 and $900,000 in gross per year. Who would not want that? Well, we tried to talk the dealership into doing regular online training. Let's continue the growth. Let's keep what we've already got. But for some reason, they decided to hire an in-house trainer. Somebody that was there 5 days a week, 40 hours a week, and there is some logic to that. But the first thing this trainer did was he undid everything we taught them. He told them, no, that's not the way you sell cars. That's not the way you desk deals. And you know what happened? The numbers dropped. Not only did they go back to where they were, they had a couple of months that they were even lower where they've been in the past. So again, we talked to the dealer and we stated, look, we've shown you we can do this. Make the change. Bring us in. Let us get the numbers. And here was his response to us. Well, I feel like I'm committed for at least a year to have this in-house trainer see what he can do. A year? You're going to wait a year to see if this is working? I can tell you right now, it's not working. It worked, and then he undid it. Because he had, unfortunately, an old school mentality of how cars should be sold. And that just doesn't work anymore. And we wonder why we're not making more money in our dealerships. Good luck, everyone.